Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W portable vertical wind turbine generator kit presents a promising option for those interested in harnessing wind energy. Designed with a 3-blade Helix structure, this kit aims to provide an efficient and reliable means of generating electricity from wind power. At its core, the turbine is engineered to convert kinetic energy from the wind into electrical energy, which can then be used for a variety of applications, from powering small devices to contributing to an off-grid power system. With a notable power output of 18,000 watts, this model positions itself as a robust solution for those looking to supplement their energy needs through renewable sources. The 3-blade Helix design is particularly noteworthy. This configuration is intended to enhance the turbine's efficiency and performance in lower wind speeds, making it suitable for a wider range of environments. With vertical blades, the turbine can capture wind from any direction, which can be advantageous in areas with variable wind patterns. Installation is a necessary consideration for any wind turbine, and the 18,000W model is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It comes with a detailed instruction manual, guiding users through the assembly and setup process. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who may not have extensive experience with renewable energy systems. It's worth noting that considering the location and height of installation can significantly impact the turbine's performance, as wind speed can vary with elevation and surrounding obstructions. In terms of usage, the turbine is versatile, capable of powering a variety of devices and systems, including residential appliances and even larger machinery, depending on energy needs and available wind conditions. It is important to monitor wind patterns and energy output to optimize efficiency and ensure that the turbine meets specific energy demands. In conclusion, the 18,000W portable vertical wind turbine generator kit offers a solid option for individuals interested in exploring wind energy. With its thoughtful design and user-centric features, it has the potential to serve as a valuable addition to alternative energy solutions. As with any renewable energy system, prospective users should consider their specific energy needs and local wind conditions to fully appreciate the advantages this turbine can provide.